Namaskar. Nowadays, a lot of people struggle with low energy, fatigue, and bad mood early in the morning. Even those who sleep well through the night also have these problems. This happens because there is some mistake in your routine, your daily habits, like what you do on an empty stomach. Today, let's talk about 5 things we should never do on an empty stomach. Some of these might surprise you, and you may be feeling guilty of doing it every single morning. First, like a mistake of drinking tea or coffee first thing early in the morning. When you wake up, or you have been hungry for some time, your stomach has a lot of acid in it. When you drink coffee or tea on an empty stomach, you are adding more acid in an already acidic atmosphere. This can lead to issues like acid reflux, bloating, and stomach discomfort over the time. But that's not all. Caffeine also masks hunger. Your body is sending signals that it needs food. But instead of giving some nutrients to body, you are tricking it into feeling full while depriving it of real energy. The result is that you get overly hungry later in a day and end up overeating. This then causes weight gain. So instead of having tea or coffee on an empty stomach, have a handful of dry fruits or fresh fruits at least half an hour before taking anything else like tea, coffee. This will prepare your digestive system and keep your metabolism balanced. The second mistake is not eating breakfast. You might think skipping breakfast saves calorie, but it actually spoils your metabolism. Your body needs nutrients in the morning to function properly. Skipping breakfast leads to craving and then overeating later in the day. Unstable blood sugar level is an outcome. Instead of skipping, opt for protein-rich breakfast to keep you full and energized. The third mistake is taking painkillers like ibuprofen or aspirin on an empty stomach. These medicines may irritate the stomach lining and can lead to gastritis or even ulcers at a time. So always take painkillers with food to minimize damage to your gut. The next mistake many people make, doing workout on an empty stomach without listening to their body. Now this might sound like a great way to burn fat, and for some people it may work, but for many others it does more harm than good. Without enough fuel, your body may start breaking down muscles for energy instead of burning fat, and then can lead to feeling tired, dizziness, and even muscle loss. So if you prefer fasted workout, but if you experience these issues, listen to your body. Have a small snack like banana or a handful of nuts 30 to 60 minutes before your workout session. And if you feel strong, light, and energized during fasted workouts, your body might have adapted to it. So keep going. And the last thing or a mistake people do on an empty stomach is arguing. Notice how little things annoy you when you are hungry. That's because hunger directly affects your mood and your behavior. I think nowadays this is called being hangry. Even science has shown that hunger affects your mood. What happens is when your blood sugar drops, your body releases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, making you more irritable and prone to emotional outbursts. That's why arguments escalate quickly when one or both people are hungry. Your brain is literally in survival mode, making rational thinking harder. Low blood sugar reduces impulse control, meaning you are more likely to say things you regret. So instead of arguing on an empty stomach, take a moment to eat something nutritious. A small snack also can help stabilize your mood and allow for more constructive conversation. So take care of yourself and stop doing these 5 mistakes on empty stomach. This will help you to improve your digestion, stabilize your energy and mood, and even help you with your weight management goals. Namaskar.